Hi, Monument Valley Guitar Class. This is your midterm test tutorial, Danny Boy. I'm just going to do the first line in this tutorial. If you haven't already listened to it, go to 8notes.com. There's a link on Canvas. You can find it, listen to it a few times so you know how it goes. You can also speed up or slow down the tempo so that you can take it as slow as you want to learn it. Okay? Listen to it before you start practicing it. I'll play the first line and then I'll show you little by little how to play it yourself. So here's how it sounds. Okay, I hesitated a little bit at the end, I understand. I'm still learning it myself, but that's how it sounds, that's how it goes. Here's the most important chord you're going to be using the entire song. Let me show it to you. It's A7, which we've learned at the beginning of the year. You should remember it. Second fret, second finger, okay? And then you skip a string, first finger on the fourth string, second fret. There's A7. Now, we're not going to be strumming the song, we're going to be plucking it. You're required to pluck it. You can do it. It's not that hard, just practice it slowly. You can do it. Okay, now we're going to be strumming these three strings, string 5, string 3, and string 4 and 5, and then string 2 for that, while holding that A7 chord. Sound about like that. Okay, that's the most important chord you'll need. There's one instance where you do change to plucking this string, and then you do the first and second strings. Okay, and I'll show you where that is. So here's this music. Okay, there's our first chord that I just showed you. The first three notes that lead up to that chord are, we have a G sharp, A, and a B. Now I hope you've noticed that in this song there are 3 sharps, so the whole song you're going to have F, C, and G as sharps. Okay, look up at the fingerboard on how to finger all the notes if you need to. Write down the letter names above or below the notes. There's this tablature here that's really helpful for you. Want you to get this down and make it as easy as possible. Okay, but again, those first three notes, we have G sharp, A, B, and then we play that chord. So again, those 3 notes, I want to show you here. Here's G sharp, A, B, and then you put your fingers down for A7, pluck those 3 chords again, those 3 strings. That's the first part. Right after that, you have 5 notes, B, C sharp, F sharp, E, and C sharp again. Now a lot of these notes you'll notice use the second fret on these strings. It makes it a little bit easier when you can just go between open and second strings like this. These 5 notes. Okay, you start with open B for second finger for C sharp. Move down to that first string, second fret. Okay, you're still on the second fret for the F sharp. Open E, and then C sharp. Okay, so after you do those 3 notes in the chord, again you have this. Right after that, again, it's really easy. 3 open strings, the same ones that you've plucked before, but now no fingers down. Okay, you have those chords, an A and an F sharp. Here's the A. Okay, again, A on right there. And then F sharp, 4th fret, 4th finger is easiest. Okay, again you have those open strings. Good. From there you have A, C sharp, D. This one goes to the 3rd fret this time, but the A and the C sharp again, both 2nd fret. From there we have another chord. We have E, C sharp, and open A. This is the point where you're going to use those bottom 2 strings and that 5th string at the same time. And then it tells us here on this chord to use the 2nd fret on that 2nd string. So it'll sound. So I'm going to play these 3 notes leading up to that chord. A. There it is. Try that again. There it is. From there, you have F sharp, E, C sharp, A, C sharp, okay? 2, 0, 2, 2, 2. I told you you're going to use that 2nd finger, 2nd fret a lot. Okay, from there, again, it sounds like this. Again, let me show it to you. F sharp, E, C sharp, A, C sharp. From there, we're going to go to open B and 2nd finger on E, just those 2. So this string, you can see wiggling, and the E. And those 2 notes, I'll show you those 2 notes. For some of you, this is going to be really easy. Again, B and E. So I'll play those 5 notes and that leading up to that chord. Open B and E here. There it is. From there, you have an open D, 4th finger D sharp, and then from there, I've circled those same 3 notes that we opened the song with. Okay. And then we just go right back into repeating that same chord on the 2nd line, at the very beginning of the 2nd line. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please email me. Good luck. I will send some more videos on how to do the 2nd line, 3rd line, and 4th line. Watch them, practice, get it down. You have another week and a half to submit it. So good luck.